In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Zoom meeting using various methods, whether you're on a desktop, web portal, or mobile app. This guide is designed to help beginners navigate the process effortlessly, ensuring that your meeting setup is seamless and professional. Let's begin with scheduling a Zoom meeting using the Zoom desktop app, available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. First, you'll need to open the Zoom desktop app and sign in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Home section. Here, you'll find a Schedule button, which you should click on. Alternatively, you might see a plus icon under Meetings or Calendar. Clicking this will also open the scheduling window. Now you'll want to fill in all pertinent details about your upcoming meeting. Start by giving your meeting a title or topic, something that clearly identifies the purpose of the meeting. Then, move on to set the date and time, making sure to select the right time zone to avoid any confusion for your attendees. For the duration of the meeting, choose an appropriate length that covers all your planned discussions. Decide if it's going to be a recurring meeting, if applicable. Adjusting the meeting options is crucial for a smooth experience. Opt for generating the meeting ID automatically. This helps prevent unwanted access via your personal meeting ID. When thinking about security, choose one or more options such as requiring a passcode, enabling a waiting room, or ensuring only authenticated users can join. Consider the video and audio settings. You can decide whether you want participants' video to be on or off by default, and whether they can use computer audio or phone. For more advanced settings, think about whether you want to mute participants upon entry, require registration, auto-record the session, or even add features like a watermark. If you use a calendar to manage your schedule, integrating it with Zoom can be helpful. You can choose from Google Calendar, Outlook, iCal, or even generate an .cs file, which creates a calendar invite complete with the Zoom meeting link. Once everything is set, click Save. If you've integrated with a calendar, it will open automatically for further actions. Otherwise, Zoom will confirm that your meeting has been successfully scheduled. To invite participants, navigate to the Meetings tab within the Zoom app, find your meeting, and click on the ellipsis or three dots. From there, you can copy the invitation or simply copy the meeting link and share it via email or chat. Next, let's explore scheduling a meeting through the Zoom web portal. Start by signing in at zoom.us. Once you're on the main page, click on the Meetings tab and select Schedule a Meeting. Here, you'll enter all the familiar details: the topic, date, time, duration, recurring options if necessary, and time zone. You'll configure the same security, video, audio, and advanced settings as you did on the desktop app. Once set, click Save to finalize your scheduling. After saving, there are options to copy the invitation or meeting link so you can easily share with your attendees. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to scheduling Zoom meetings on different platforms, designed to help you get started smoothly and efficiently.